Good morning. It's Daryl with the Automatic Trade Desk, and it is February 9th, 2023, 6:29 and 30 some seconds Pacific Time, AM. We are trading 8 contracts on the NQ today. This is all automatic trading. In fact, we're going to have an automatic entry here at the market open in about 10 seconds. So let's take a look. You'll see the entry right over here. We're going to have a no hands entry. That's the way this works. It's full automatic trading. There's our first trade. We're short. This is the market open, the morning rush, the biggest imbalance of orders of the day. Okay, so we're 8 contracts. Our first position is short. Our target's below and our stops above. Right now, we're just hovering around our entry. We'll check back on this trade in a couple of minutes. Okay, checking back in on this trade. It's continued to sort of just hover around. It's been for us and against us. Right now, it's going for us. And this is all automatic trading. Very strong automatic trading. I'm trading from a data set, okay? No one knows the next tick of the market. No one knows if you're going to hit your target first or your stop first. In fact, look how close. Look at this as an example. Look how close we came to our target, but no cigars so far. So do I ever move my stops or targets and say, oh, I should have grabbed that. Let's get out now. No, that's not a thing with automatic trading, okay? This requires no hands. I'm trading from a data set, which means I know the probability of my strategy, and it's a very large data set. There we go. We just hit target, okay? So now we automatically hit target right there. Now we're short again. Right away, we're also short again. So we have a closed P&L, 39.65, and now we're short again, 8 contracts on the NQ. Our target is below, our stop's above. What's the daily candlestick doing? Look at it over here. This is it right here. This little green one right here is the daily candlestick, okay? So I just spread this out a little bit. So let's see if we can see it a little easier. There we go. So this is today's candlestick, and it's green, but we're short, and we already had one target short. Now, does that mean we're going to get the next one? No. Automatic trading's not about winning every trade. You win, you lose, you win, you lose. And trading's about winning more than you lose, okay? That's what good traders want to do. So we're short right now. We'll check back in a minute. We're right now just hovering right around our entry. Okay, checking back in. We've been in this trade 6 minutes now. You can see 6 minutes, and we're down close to our target. Okay, it's all automatic trading. You can see we just hit our target. Now, look, we're short again already. Okay, so in the trade, 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Open P&L is printing against us right now. Closed P&L 79.45. We'll check back on this trade in a little bit. Okay, continuing to follow our automatic trade. Close P&L 79.45. Open, there we go. Added to our closed P&L. Just hit another target, and now short again. Okay, short again. So 11,920 closed P&L. Okay, so now we're short again, and let's see how this goes. All right. Okay, we've been trading the opening range of the American stock market, just on the futures market, the NQ, mini future, the NASDAQ index. Opening range is generally considered to be the first 15 minutes after the market open, for the cash open of the American stock market. So, end of 15 minutes, we have a closed P&L on 8 contracts on the NQ, 11,920. Open P&L hovering right around our entry at the present time. It's been both for us and against us. So we'll check back in on this trade in a bit. Okay, an update on the trade. Remember the one that was for us and against us kind of thing right here? We just stopped out right there, okay? We stopped out right there. So now what are we? We're long. Our target's above and our stop's below. Daily candlestick right here for reference, and 6:47, almost 6:48 a.m. Pacific time. Check back again in a minute. Okay, checking back on this trade. Of course, you know we stopped out here. We both hit target and stop out all the time with automatic trading. What else happened? Then we went long and we just hit target, okay? Now what happened? Why are we looking at it now? Because now we're going short. Our target's below and our stop's above. So the algo decided, hey, we just hit a target going long, and now, according to the parameters it's programmed with, now it went short. So 8 contracts short currently, right now printing against us. Okay, now it's actually printing for us, and we just hit target. And you can see we just took another short. So we had a good long, and now we had a good short, and we're short again, and it's printing against us again. Automatic trading. You don't have to decide to go whether you're going long or short, okay? That's the beauty of it. And here we are. We're currently short. Okay, it is 6:55 a.m. Pacific time. We've been in this trade now about almost 25, almost 26 minutes. Currently short, our daily candlestick right there. Current price over here, target below, stop above. We're short, which means in the futures market, when you're short, you're making money when the market's going down. Right now, the market is going down a little bit, even though it's been an up day so far. So continuing to track this trade, it's been both printing for us and against us. Okay, we've been taking longs and shorts, hitting target and stopping out. Right now we're short. We came very close to our target just a second ago. You can see right here, our target's below and our stop's above. We have a closed P&L, 15,800. We've been in this trade for almost 35 minutes now, collection of trades. Look how close we came to our target here, but no cigar. So I don't interfere. Again, this is all hands-free, all automatic trading, and very strong automatic trading. I'm trading from a data set, which is a very powerful way to trade. So no need to interfere. In fact, my job is to not interfere. So we'll see how this trade turns out. We're back at our entry roughly, and we'll check back on this trade in a little bit. Okay, we're checking back in on this trade. We've been taking longs and shorts, and both stopping out and hitting target with some very strong automatic trading this morning, okay? And all automatic, full no hands, and checking back in. Open P&L 15,560, 8 contracts. We're seeking $2,500 a contract with this particular strategy today. So we're trading 8 contracts on the NQ, and that would mean about 20 grand. So somewhere close to that on our P&L is what we're looking for. And no one knows whether we're going to hit target or stop. Right now we're long. Our target's above. Here we see in this view, we had a long that stopped out right there. Then we took a short and a short again. Both those were good trades. This is our cumulative P&L, open P&L right now. So we'll see how this day turns out and check back in a few minutes. We are again close to the target. There we go. We just hit that one. 19,525. We're going to take one more short trade here, all automatically. Watch for that to happen. So we just hit target. Now we're long again, okay? So once again, we're seeking 20 grand. So we just hit that. Look at, there we go. Automatic trading. Amazing automatic trading. It is February 9th, 2023. 7:37 and change Pacific time. And we started at 6:30 a.m. Pacific time. So in 1 hour and 7 minutes, full automatic, taking longs and shorts, both stopping out and hitting target, as you can see. Let's go back. Let's scroll back in time right now and see what's going on here. Okay. Let's take a look at every trade we took. As you know, we went short. 6:30 a.m. Boom, that was a good trade. Another trade. Second trade was a good trade, also short. Third trade, a good trade. Fourth trade, a bad trade. Fifth trade, a good trade. Sixth trade, a good trade. Look at the reversal, the way the algo followed that. Then we had a bad trade, 7th trade. 8th trade, a bad trade. 9th trade, a good trade. 10th, a good trade. 11th, a good trade. And a short little trade. The 12th trade, 20,100, 8 contracts on the NQ, mini feature of the NASDAQ index, automatic trading, automatic algorithmic trading, my friends. The results speak for themselves.